Now, coming back and researching, why are we finding a bottom? We know that there's still the skirmish going on in the Ukraine, which is screwing up commodities left and right. We also know that there is problems still on the supply side, employment being quite tight. You know, the Fed still wanting to control inflation. It hasn't gone anywhere. So, why is a bottom being found? And it turns out, and they're seeing a bottom as well in the commodities. So everything from grains, the ag features, all the way to the precious metals, copper, the industrial metals, and even oil has dropped down from its high. It's hovering around $100 a barrel instead of $130 a barrel. So what's up with all this moderation? And the scoop is bond yields. So bond yields have been going down. A lot of people don't understand what controls the yield. What I'd like to put out there is, say, for instance, you're a city and you decide to issue some municipal bonds. You basically put, like, I don't know, a certain amount, a fixed amount of money into the budget to pay those bonds. So the more people who buy those bonds, the less that money is going to be spread around those buyers. So if you have buyers of bonds, the yields go down because there's a fixed amount of money to pay out those bonds in the upcoming budgets. So there's some buying of bonds right now, which is pulling the yields down, which is making people now go towards more risky investments. And so they're starting to buy those investments. And that's why we're starting to see a bottom in some of these stock markets, in the stock market. But the question is that sustainable, and why is that happening?